Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1974 Buick LeSabre Lux. This car is loaded. My client's owned this car for many, many years. He retired and he's selling everything, including that 64 Corvette over there. Lincoln Continental, suicide door 4-door, Auburn boat tail Speedster, and a gorgeous Mercedes SE convertible. Anyway, sitting on the rallies, wrapped in whites. Real nice rubber all the way around. This car is loaded. Power locks, power windows, power top, AM FM radio, power antenna, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. You can pile everybody in this car. Seat belts all the way around. Runs great. Lights work, turn signals, power antenna, radio. Really nice hand-painted pinstripe on here too. Straight body. Got the spare in the trunk. Extra belts. Some leather stripping for the top too. Power seats, they work too. Power locks, remote mirror. Little armrest right here too. Comfy. Let's go for a quick ride. Love these big cars, man. Such cruisers. I'm going to fasten my seatbelt. I am not in the mood. At least it's not beeping at me. This is a very nice driver. It's not a show car. It's got a couple little scratches and dings, and the dash isn't perfect, but it runs real nice. Pile everyone in here. Go to the beach. Looks like all the gauges work too. Showing 82,704 miles, which I definitely believe that's true. Oh my god, and the clock is still working. Love that style clock. Super cool. That's my favorite. Well guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Check out about 200 photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Don't forget to subscribe and look at my new arrivals. We got stuff coming in every day. Thanks a lot.